Hey guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a marker review, and these are the Amazon Basic Dual Brush Tip Markers. These markers links will also be in the description below. Let's start. Now here is the box. Here it has the brand and some information about it. And yeah, so it's basically simple. It's just a cardboard box, nothing too special about it. But now let's open this. So here are the markers. They look really cool. This is a 52 pack for $24 on Amazon. Which I think is a great deal, and there's a lot of colors, so I think this will be really useful. But yeah, now let's just get them out of the box. So here are all the markers out of the box, and it looks really pretty. So now I'm gonna take a closer look at the brush and the other side of the pen, which I don't know what's called, but I took the mint green and the aqua color. So we're gonna take a look at this mint green. So yeah, here is how the mint green brush tip looks like, and it's very thin. Hope you can see it, but yeah, here it is. Now I'm going to take a look at the other side. So this is just like a normal tip that most markers have, and yeah, it's really simple, but it's very pointy, so yeah. Now I'm just going to look at the aqua one. I'm expecting it will be the same thing. So like the brush tip here, that is the aqua one. It looks a little darker on the brush from the cap, but it still writes out the same color. And we have the other side of the tip. So now I'm going to test these colors out. Yeah, I'm a little afraid if they are dried out, because they've been having reviews that half of them were dried out, but hopefully none of these are dried out. But yes, I'm gonna test these out. So I've got my paper here, and yeah, so we're going to test the same colors, the aqua and mint green. I'm going to test the aqua one first, because last time we did the mint green. So, sorry if my handwriting's bad. I still need some practice on the cursive, but I'm still trying. But I'm just going to write hello ugly, but yeah, so it works pretty good. I'm not really used to the thin ones, because I have other brush tip markers which are a little thicker, so it's a little easier to write. But yeah, here is the hello. But I'm going to just try again. And yeah, so it looks very bad, but it's not bending that much or anything. Since it's thin, it might bend, but it's not bending, so that's good. And the normal side, it's very like pointy, and yeah. But yeah, so that is both the sides, and they work pretty good. But now I'm going to test the mint green, and that one is also doing very good, but it's not looking great. I still need work on my calligraphy, but yeah, I'm planning to learn doing calligraphy, but yeah, it's looking a little good so far. The lines are really good. But yeah, so I'm just doing some like tests, some like ribbons and lines, but I'm gonna just do the other side, and it's the same thing basically. No really much difference, just doing some lines. But yeah, so those are the mint green sides. Pretty simple, but yeah, so those are the markers. Yeah. So So not only did it come with a Mark 52 markers, but it also came with this stand, which is amazing. So 20, I didn't actually know they were going to do a stand, but yeah, so I don't know if all of them will fit. And guys, while I was editing, I actually noticed that I had another marker brand in them, so that's why a few of them couldn't fit, but the one I just put in now was another marker brand that I will be doing a comparison with this one soon. But I'm just going to put them in rainbow order so they can look pretty. But yeah, so just going to speed this part up because I don't want you guys waiting too long. But yeah. Okay guys, so I have all the markers into the thing. I have the red, yellow, greens, blues, purples, pinks, and the skin colors, or just the basic standard colors. Yeah, so I'm trying to get the tripod white, but here it is. It looks very colorful, but yeah, so these are the markers. Overall, I think these markers are great, but yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!